In today's video, I will be using extreme sheen paints and a cool 3D printed gadget, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm working on a hexagon canvas and I've got my turntable underneath. I will be using this 3D printed gadget that my husband printed for me. It's got some cutouts on the bottom. I'm using all extreme sheen paints. I've got ruby and coral. I've also got some emerald, 24 karat gold, sapphire, and amethyst. And I'm also going to be using some folk art white pearl paint. I'm starting out with that on the bottom first, and all of the paints that I am using are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I have not added any silicone to any of these paints. So what I am going to continue to do here is in between each color, I am just putting the white pearl, the folk art white pearl paint. And you can see all the cells that are developing, and that is because of the different paint densities, because again, I didn't add any silicone to any of my paints. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I do hope that you enjoy this video enough to subscribe. And for those of you that already subscribe, I do thank you very much. So I'm just going to continue to layer the paints, and you guys can sit back, enjoy the music, watch how this develops, and I'll be back in a jiff. Okay guys, so here we go with the dried photos, and I absolutely love this. I think it looks super cool. I love all the detail. Now I did lose some of the paint. You can see I lost some of the yellow, the coral, and the red because there was a little too much on there. It did make the design a little asymmetrical, but I think that's okay. Not everything has to be perfectly in the center. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Leave me a comment below. I actually think this reminds me of a acid lake that's in Yosemite. I don't know the actual name. I'd seen photos of it once, and that's what this kind of reminds me of. So anyway, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also share this video if you think someone may enjoy it. And I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.